Yo, if you're looking to make extra money this year and you love shopping on Amazon, then you're going to want to stick to the very end of this video as I show you a new way to make money on the Amazon platform. Yes, Amazon literally will pay you to make videos for them on their website known as the Amazon Influencer Program. Now, the way that this works is stupid as easy, okay? First, what you're going to want to do is go on Google and type in Amazon Influencer Program sign up. You're going to want to link one of your social media handles that has some type of engagement. So whether it's Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, any of those platforms. And once you're signed up, you're going to submit 3 videos that they will review, approve, and once you're in the program, all you're going to do is literally go around your house, use your phone, get on the Amazon app, see what products are listed on the app, and make a video for every single one of those products, basically going over what you like about the product, you know, what features you like about this and that, or really depending on the product itself. And then once you make that video, you simply post it on your storefront, and it's going to show up on the listings on these Amazon listings. So for example, let's take these microphones. I'll make a video on it, you know, going over what I like about it, and when a customer goes on the website to go and buy these microphones, they will actually go and check the videos and see what other content creators liked or disliked about the actual product itself. And after they're done watching that video and they actually like it, and you know, you convince them and they buy that product, you make a commission, you know, from that sale. And so you do this multiple times by making, you know, tens of hundreds up to thousands of videos until you scale this thing from your first 1,000, 2,000, 3, 4, 5, 10,000 per month, literally all commission based. Last month in January, I made basically almost $4,000 doing this thing. So that is insane. I'm telling you, this is a stupid as easy way of making money in 2026. Like literally, if you can't make money doing this shit, then you're just a fucking moron, okay? Like it is so simple. You don't need any extra skill set or anything. You just need your phone, maybe a mic for better audio, and just the ability to be on camera and review shit. Like that is literally it, okay? Like literally anybody can do this. You don't need to go anywhere. You don't need to drive in traffic. You can do this all from the comfort of your own home. I literally run this from my house all day, just reviewing products. And you know, when it comes to the products themselves, you don't even have to buy them from Amazon directly to even review them, okay? Like I said, you can start with stuff that you have at your house. So it can be like your mattresses, your shoes, you know, your kitchen utilities, your TVs. As long as it is on Amazon, you can review it, make a video on it, and possibly make some money from that shit, okay? And as you start to grow and scale and you run out of stuff from your home, then you're gonna reach out to brands where they're gonna actually send you free products to actually review. Like they'll literally send you free gaming chairs, free gaming desks, free furniture. Like we are talking $100, $200, $500, you know, electric scooters. Like brands will literally send you free shit to review so you can make a video for them to post on Amazon, okay? Like that is insane. You can literally either resell these things for extra money or keep them, you know? Like you will be surprised at the type of shit that you will get for free from all these brands that you would have never imagined that you actually kind of needed, right? So yeah, like literally our household, me and my wife's, like we don't even pay for shit anymore online because we just get it from brands directly at this point. So you know, you like it'll save you money on top of that shit, on top of you making money from this program. So now there's various ways of how to do this shit, how to source products, how to reach out to brands, but I'll, you know, go over all this on a separate video. But like I said, this is literally the stupidest, dumbest, easiest way. And if you aren't committed to doing this shit, then I truly can, you know, think of an easier way to make money in 2026. It is literally this fucking easy.